let's shift our attention now. As the battle for Delhi enters its final leg, the Aam Aadmi Party made a sensational charge that the BJP is poisoning Delhi waters, even as the BJP continues to question the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar on its promise to clean Yamuna. The Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal has alleged that the BJP government in Haryana poisoned the water in Yamuna, and it was only due to the vigilant Delhi Jal Board that a mass genocide was avoided. In fact, he accused the BJP of using biological weapons and claimed that this was a bid to create chaos and panic ahead of the polls.
दिल्ली के लोगों को पीने का पानी हरियाणा और उत्तर प्रदेश से मिलता है। हरियाणा में यमुना के रास्ते पीने का पानी आता है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हरियाणा की सरकार ने दिल्ली में यमुना से आने वाले पानी में जहर मिला के भेज दिया है। ये तो हमारे भलाव हमारे दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के इंजीनियर्स का कि उन्होंने पकड़ लिया। उन्होंने दिल्ली के बॉर्डर पे ही वो पानी रोक दिया और उस पानी को दिल्ली के अंदर नहीं आने दिया। अगर ये पानी जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हरियाणा सरकार ने दिल्ली में भेजा है, इसके अंदर उन्होंने ऐसा जहर मिला के भेजा है जिसका दिल्ली में जो वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स हैं उसमें भी उसकी सफाई नहीं हो सकती। कहीं दो देशों के युद्ध में बायोलॉजिकल वेपन्स फेंक दिए जाते हैं, कहीं दो देशों के युद्ध के अंदर पानी में जहर मिला के वहां पे जाने वाली नदी में डाल दिया जाता है। इस तरह से तो दो देशों के युद्ध के अंदर हम लोगों ने इस तरह के काम देखे थे, लेकिन आज जिस तरह से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दिल्ली में आने वाले पानी में जहर मिला के भेज दिया है, मैं बीजेपी को कहना चाहता हूं, इतना मत गिरिए।
In fact, it's not just Kejriwal. The Delhi Chief Minister along with the Punjab CM have also penned a letter to the Chief Election Commissioner alleging that there has been a sharp spike in ammonia levels in Yamuna waters ahead of the polls, which has adversely affected the Delhi water supply, and claimed that this amounts to water terrorism. Kejriwal also compared the alleged pollution to a biological warfare and warned that it could potentially lead to mass casualties in the capital city. The Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has weighed in on the matter, accusing Haryana of deliberately discharging industrial waste into the water for the fueling the political debate. Listen in.
जल बोर्ड की सीईओ की ये चिट्ठी दिखाती है कि 6 ppm यानी 6 गुना अमोनिया साफ हो जाता है कि हरियाणा जहरीला पानी दिल्ली भेज रही है। 7 गुना अमोनिया वाला पानी हरियाणा दिल्ली वालों के लिए छोड़ रहा है। सीईओ जल बोर्ड की चिट्ठी भी सच्चाई को सामने लेके आती है, हरियाणा के षड्यंत्र को सामने लेके आती है। दिल्ली वालों को जहरीला पानी दिया जा रहा है, उस सच्चाई को सामने लेके आती है। मैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ये बताना चाहूंगी, इतनी गंदी राजनीति मत करो।
Now, this was the charge that was levelled by Atishi. According to the Election Commission sources, the poll body has directed the Haryana government to immediately provide a factual report, and that report is expected by noon today. Meanwhile, the Delhi Jal Board has released a statement quashing what the Aam Aadmi Party has said. The Delhi Jal Board in the report mentioned that the claims by the Aam Aadmi Party were factually incorrect, without any basis and misleading, and highlighted that such false statements lead to a lot of fear-mongering among the people and a lot of panic among people. In a letter, the Delhi Jal Board CEO has highlighted that the ammonia in Yamuna water increases every year due to post-monsoon. So, in response, Shilpa Shinde, the CEO of the Delhi Jal Board, has dismissed these allegations as absolutely factually incorrect, without basis and misleading. And in a formal letter to the Delhi's Chief Secretary, Dharmendra Shinde, clarifying that such claims were harmful not only for the public confidence but also for the interstate relations between Delhi as well as Haryana. She urged that such statements, which she described as fear-mongering, could have damaging consequences, and requested the issue to be referred to the LG VK Saxena. My colleague Tetri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tetri, this is a war of words that has only escalated ahead of the Delhi polls, but the charge being levelled by the Aam Aadmi Party is that this could have led to mass genocide in the national capital. This is a big charge that has been levelled by the Aam Aadmi Party.
Absolutely serious charges, sensational allegations that have been made by Aam Aadmi Party yesterday, and in fact this entire issue started when Chief Minister herself, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, held a press conference, and in that particular press conference she alleged that Haryana government, Haryana-led BJP government is in fact releasing poison into the water that is coming to Delhi, that's been released intentionally to Delhi so that people of Delhi would get polluted water. And in fact she also highlighted the fact that only 30, according to Aam Aadmi Party, according to the Delhi government, only 30% water is available for the people of the national capital, which is worth drinking. Not just that, in fact she also claimed that the houses in which member of parliaments resides, in which ministers reside, and in fact Rashtrapati Bhavan as well, these areas will also be witnessing scarcity of water, and in fact it is a high possibility that these houses might also witness dirty water. So these all were the allegations that were leveled up by Aam Aadmi Party. Secondly, we saw that response coming in from the BJP Haryana government, where they refuted all the charges, they denied all the charges, and in fact thirdly, we also saw that the Delhi Jal Board CEO also wrote a letter to the Chief Secretary highlighting the fact that the statements that have been made by Arvind Kejriwal are all false, because the claims that he has been making on grounds are incorrect. Remember that not just Atishi but Arvind Kejriwal also in fact came out openly in public and alleged that poisonous water is being released.
But look at the kind of words that are being used by the Aam Aadmi Party. The big charge including saying mass genocide, saying water terrorism. These are the kind of words that have been used. My colleague Pragya is also joining us on the broadcast. Pragya, the Aam Aadmi Party has directed the anger and the allegation towards the Haryana government. What is the response of the government on the same?
Pratibha, the government is appalled, and this is why Mr. Naib Singh Saini not just once but twice came on record and said that I need proof, and I'm willing to stand my Chief Secretary, and I am also wanting Delhi Chief Secretary to come and test the waters near Sonipat, from where the water enters from Haryana to Delhi. And in fact, he has posed several questions to Mr. Kejriwal saying, what kind of poison did Haryana mix into the water? Did fishes die? Did you build a wall, around that portion where the water enters? And if not, you are also insulting your birthplace. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal was born in Haryana, and he is saying, for us Haryanvis, we do puja for river Yamuna, and it is pious for us. And these kind of allegations are certainly very appalling. And these are the stringent measures that Haryana government will be taking. They are also considering legal action against these statements, and they are also thinking of approaching Election Commission on these statements. Remember, the foundation of all these controversies is arising because Delhi elections are around the corners, and dirty drinking water has been one of the biggest issues in Delhi elections right now. And BJP is constantly attacking Aam Aadmi Party government on Yamuna non-cleanliness that Arvind Kejriwal promised for in 2015, saying that give us 5 years and we'll clean up the Yamuna, and it's been 10 years now. So this is one of the major charges against Aam Aadmi Party right now, and they are being cornered by the BJP on these two fronts. And this
face-off over Yamuna, Pragya, has escalated to the Aam Aadmi Party accusing the Haryana government and the BJP of mass genocide and using biological weapons against Delhi. That's a big charge, after which Naib Singh Saini has countered the allegations, saying the Delhi government is trying to deflect blame for its own shortcomings. So big war of words is only expected to escalate, with legal action also likely to be taken. Thanking Teji and Pragya for joining us on the broadcast with the details. Big story on Times Now. We continue getting you the reactions because this could escalate to a legal battle as well. Quick break now. We'll be right back.